Hello everybody, Horse right here. I'm over here processing some collards. You know how we do. It's like a quick field trip. Y'all get it? Field trip. Anyway, so we about to do some experimentation. And yes, I got to cut the yard. Because these plantain plants is just doing anything in a bad way. So look, y'all. When I first put these bags on, you know I had these bags from last year and they work pretty good. But I'm putting them on earlier. But what I'm finding out is these are flower buds and these aren't berries. And what's happening is I put it on here when they look like that. And now they're flowering out. So my question is, are those flowers gonna fall off because they're not being pollinated? I don't know, y'all. But I'm real close to not wanting to even take that chance. So I may take these bags off, but I don't really want this to happen to those guys. So I may leave 2 on and 2 off. But either way, let me know what y'all thinking. That bird is interrupting my video. And we'll see what's going on. And oh yeah, the berries, y'all. So let me know. Put your comments in the comments. Push light out.